and this bg of danger, since we are deleting, we are wanting to delete. Okay, let's try it for update. Let me copy everything from add, paste it inside update or edit, paste it here. We need one thing, that is method override npm. Okay, because using browser there are two types of requests are supported, get and post, but we want to make a put request. You see on the player.js, we want to go to this put request, so we need to a package, that is method override. So let's copy it on your terminal, install it. Ctrl Shift V, install it. How to use this method override? You see there is some instruction for using method overrides. Let me copy this line and paste it inside your app.js. Okay, below this layout, actually I want to do const instead of var. This is a modern JavaScript thing. Okay, and we want this middleware. Okay, let's place it in the below here. Now inside this edit page, in the action you have to put an / ? and in here underscore method is equal put. Okay, this thing you need to add for method overriding. Okay, that's fine. Open your browser and reload the page. Go to edit. We want to edit messy, but no data is showing in the name or club. We want to show something in here. Okay, so go to players.js, in the put request update. We want to update. This is the get request we are making, so we need to see, we are selecting name and club. We want to paste it in our view engine. Okay, so player is result. Okay, now go to edit.ejs. Okay, we have to use it in the input field. In the input field there we have to add one more attribute, that is value. Value is equal, this will get from player.name. Let me copy this thing and paste it inside the club input in here. Okay, name instead of name, let's make it club. Save it. Okay, here is the problem. In our result, this is an array, so we need to set the first value of our array. So save it, first value by using 0. Okay, save it and reload the page. This is the endpoint API players update 12. 12 is the ID. Okay, so this is actually, let me change it to update player. This is add player to update player. Save it and let me reload the page once again. FC Barcelona, in the place of FC Barcelona, let's make it only Barcelona and update the player. Okay, it's saying something went wrong, cannot put player. Okay, here is the problem. We need to put update. Save it. Okay, here I think we also need ID along with name and club, and here we passing ID, that ID. Okay, now we need to set this ID inside our views. So go to EJS After this update, we need to paste this actually, copy it and paste it here. Instead of name, you need to put ID. Okay, when anyone submit for the update player, it will go to this URL update / the ID. Now let's check that API endpoint. This is that API endpoint. Okay, updating player, everything looks perfect. Okay, let's try it out. Once again, open your browser, reload the page. From here, let's edit our hazard, hidden hazard, make it hidden hazard, update player. It's updating perfectly. Okay, now